Vi riporto al rifugio Brutto Carestiato che si trova ad Agordo e si parte dal Passo Duran. Oggi è una giornata più bella rispetto al video passato. Se il video ti piace iscriviti al mio canale e buon volo!
We live, we love, and we laugh a lot. Folks up here know what they got. High on a mountain top, high on a mountain top. The rest of the world's like a little bitty spot. I ain't coming down, no, never, I'm not. High on a mountain top, high on a mountain top. Where I come from, the mountain Florida's so wild. The bluegrass waves like it's going out of style. God-fearing people, simple and real, 'cause up on the ridge, folks, that's the deal. Well, my daddy worked down in the dark coal mine, shoveling that coal one shovel at a time. Never made a lot of money, didn't have much, but we're high on life and rich in love. High on a mountain top, we live, we love, and we laugh a lot. Folks up here know what they've got. High on a mountain top, high on a mountain top, where the rest of the world's like a little bitty spot. I ain't coming down, no, never, I'm not. High on a mountain top, high on a mountain top. Well, down in the holler lived my Uncle Joe. He pulled out his fiddle and rosin his bow. We'd all sing and dance and we ain't gonna stop, and the moonshine flows behind every rock. High on a mountain top, we live, we love, and we laugh a lot. Folks up here know what they got. High on a mountain top, high on a mountain top, where the rest of the world's like a little bitty spot. I ain't coming down, no, never, I'm not. High on a mountain top, high on a mountain top. Well, we lay on our backs and we count the stars, 'cause up here, folks, heaven's not that far. High on a mountain top, we live, we love, and we laugh a lot. Folks up here know what they've got. High on a mountain top, high on a mountain top, where the rest of the world's like a little bitty spot.